EC2 instance. Let's wait for it. It's coming up. Now it's waiting for SSH. It's running this task sequentially. You know, it's waiting for the SSH. Like I said, wait for SSH to come up. This is the name of the tag. This is what's running right now. Let's go back. Let's see. Just give it a while. It's gonna come up. It's going to take a while. Let's just wait for it. Let's just wait for it. So the process is pretty easy. Once you have the main ingredients you need here is the YAML file. The YAML file is a core. Okay, if you have all these parameters ready, if you have the key name, the region, the type of the instance, the image of the instance, the instance tags, you know, the type of volume you want to attach to the EC2 instance, the subnet ID, and the security group. Once you have that, you're done. So right here, okay, this is good. Our instances has been created. Let's go over to the AWS console and let's see if we have our instance ready. Let's go to EC2. We have one running instance. So the system, our playbook has created an instance. This is it. AWS Lab Server. This is the instance ID. E2, T2 micro, like we said. US East 1, like we said. The instance is running. This is the IP address of the instance. The key name is Omoba, like I said. Monitoring disables. All these parameters you could set. This is the security group, you know, and we've successfully created an EC2 instance using Ansible and Playbook. So thank you very much for being a part of this broadcast. You could hit me a question if you have any question. You could hit me. I'll be glad to respond. You could hit me an email, or if you have any requests, if you want me to do a video on anything about cloud provisioning, EC2 instances, and Vagrant, Ansible, I'll be glad to look into it. Thank you very much. See you next time.